Welcome to week 2. This is Instructor Moore with the week 2 course content video. I am a little under the weather, and so if you hear the stuffiness in my nose, I apologize. This week, we will read chapter 3 in the Girit text. I know that some of you all were waiting to receive your book, so this is what the textbook looks like. And in chapter 3, we are covering the theoretical foundations for clinical mental health counselors, broken down into 5 sections: theory and personal characteristics of a counselor, client motivation and the process of change, a trans-theoretical model, the role of theory in counseling, foundational theories for clinical mental health counselors, and the clinical mental health paradigm. There will be an assessment found in Blackboard over chapter 3. You all have been assigned your homework partners, and in our first class, you all were given some time to introduce yourself and attempt to connect. In the event that it was not enough time, please be sure to connect with your partner and establish a consistent time for your call. My suggestion would be to use the same time as class on the weeks that we do not meet synchronously, but do what works best for the schedule of you and your partner. Also, please be sure to read the mission, vision, and values of the Townsend Institute for Concordia University at Irvine. Also, located under Activity 1, please watch the Creeds and Confessions of the Lutheran Church, which is also found in Blackboard. Also found in Blackboard is the Townsend Competence and Character Model for your reading pleasure and review. If you're looking in Blackboard under Learning Activity number 1, each video and its content is listed in order, so it's a simple click and watch for those of you who may struggle navigating Blackboard. If there are any concerns, please feel free to reach out via email or text the number or give me a call, and I will walk you through the steps. Finally, you and your partner will discuss about the understandings and connections between the potential difficulties of being both a Christian who is trained as a clinical mental health counselor. Please talk through the ethical considerations, what that means, and give each other the space and safety to have an enriching dialogue around this topic. In learning activities number 2, you will discuss chapters 4 through 6 in the Boundaries book. There is no assessment to accompany the reading of these chapters. You will find due dates for your assessments located in Blackboard right with the attached videos. As I've already mentioned, Learning Activity 3 is Chapter 3 readings for the Girit text, where an assessment will follow. That assessment is worth 40 points. And then finally, Learning Activity 2 is CACREP and Professional Identity. You will review CACREP Standard Number 2 on Professional Counseling and Identity. If you recall, we got into this just a little bit in our conversation last week, so this is the opportunity to build on and deepen that conversation. Also, please refer to last week's video of Dr. Washburn, where she discusses professional identity in this field. You will write a discussion post which addresses the following. Select one section within the COUN resource provided where you'll discuss that professional counseling identity, and then select one section within the COUN resources that you foresee as being potentially challenging or of interest. Read your classmates' initial post and respond to 2 of them. If I make a post and I will be in the discussion post, please be courteous and respond to that post as well. For grading purposes, I know that there was some questions and we needed some clarity around the discussion post. In the initial post, it is a minimum of 150 words. 10 to 15 sentences, and that is due by Friday night. So please set a timer or a reminder to make sure that you have that discussion post in by Friday at midnight. There are 2 responses due, which are a minimum of 50 words or 3 to 5 sentences, and the response is due by Sunday night at midnight. Please use APA formatting, and you can earn up to 30 points. If there are any questions, we will not meet in person on Tuesday, September the 6th of this week. Our next meeting will resume on September the 13th. Please email me. I will be active in the email to answer any questions or concerns that you may have. Have a blessed holiday.